Yes, student, today we're going to learn operation of sign on decimal. So first we will do addition and subtraction. So number A part, we have 5 decimal 3 plus 3 decimal 25. Let us do the solution. 5 decimal 3, below it we're going to write 3 decimal 25. We have to add, so first we have to check the digit after the decimal. We have to make them equal, so we're going to write 0. So 0 plus 5 will give 5, 3 plus 2 will give again 5, below the decimal we're going to put the decimal, 5 plus 3 will give 8. So here we get the answer 8 decimal 55. Let us do the B part. We have taken 42.6 minus 28.0. So how we're going to write? First of all, we're going to write 42 decimal 6, below 8 28 decimal 0. We have to do the subtraction. So 6 minus 0, it will give 6. Put the decimal below the decimal. Now from 2 we cannot subtract 8, so we have to take carry from 4. Since 4 has given 1, so it will remain 3. Now we have 12. So from 12 we are going to subtract 8. 12 minus 8 will give 4. And 3 minus 2 will give 1. So we get the answer 14.6. Now second, let us do the multiplication and division. So here we are taking the A part as 2 decimal 3 multiply 1 decimal 2. So first of all we're going to multiply them, then we're going to place the decimal. So 12 multiply 3 will give 36. So 6 will going to write and 3 will move to the carry. 12 into 2 24, the carry 3 we will going to write below 8, and after adding both of them we get 27. So we'll get write 27, we get 276. Now we're going to place the decimal. Since we have 2 digits, so before the 2 digit we're going to place the decimal. Let us come to the B part. Based on division, 3 decimal 96 divided by, we have to divide it by 0 decimal 4. So first of all we're going to write it in the numerator and denominator form. 3 decimal 96 upon 0 decimal 4. Here also we're going to first compare the digit after the decimal. For making them complete we have to put the 0. Now decimal will be cancelled by decimal. Write the number 396 divided by 40. Now here we're going to identify the table by which both numerator and denominator will be cancelled. So it is, we are finding 4. We're going to start the division. So 4 into 10. 4 into 10 is equal to 40. Now in the numerator, first we're going to divide 39. So 4 9s are 36. We're going to write it in the rough. Since we have the number 39, so we're going to subtract 36 from 39 and we're going to find the remainder. So we get 3. So we're going to write 3 before 6. Now we have the number 36. We're going to find the number. 4 into 9 is equal to 36. So we get here 99. We get 99 as a numerator divided by 10. Now here we are observing 99 is 10th part. We are observing 1 0. So before one digit we're going to place the decimal, moving from right to left. So 9 decimal 9 is the answer. Thank you.